Hey guys, I'm gonna do a small video of me eating this giant plate of chili cheese tots. And I say this because using vegetarian chili, which is pretty much just beans, and I baked these tater tots, and I put onion, I put one slice of yellow cheese, like the sandwich kind, and then I used a little bit of this almond cheese shredded that I get. It doesn't melt the best, but I think it's pretty decent considering that was a flying jalapeno. It has onions and jalapenos. So it's pretty good. I didn't really know what to make. I didn't have any sour cream. If not, I would have used some. It's just a lazy Saturday. I went running in the morning. I ran 6.3 miles. I have a princess cup. Oops. So this is my first meal of the day. It's already like 1-ish, I think. Sometimes when I go running in the morning, I left my house about 7 or so, or 7:05. Got to the park about 7:10 or so. It's only like 5 minutes away. And then I went running. Was dying at about mile 4. I really wanted to try out these tennies that I got for Christmas that my brother gave me. They're Asics, and I love Asics tennies for running. It's so blurry. So I came back. I attempted to go, actually I went to Walmart first because I attempted to get an oil change, but it was ridiculous. There was like 7 people ahead of me, which is fine. I should have gone there early. It was only 8:45 when I got there. 8:50. So I got off to Walmart, got a few things that I needed, and I came back and I just literally chilled. Drank coffee, was on my phone, just relaxed. Which goes back to the point. When I go running, I love to come back and just get caffeined up and just hang out. And so this is my first meal of the day. I wasn't really in the mood to eat after drinking all that coffee. So we weren't sure on what to eat. My husband just asked for tuna. So I got everything ready for him because that's one thing that I can't, not perfect, but do it the way he likes it, because he's very picky with his tuna. So I just got it prepped for him. I drained it, put it in a bowl, and then I made some tater tots in the oven. I wasn't sure what I was going to eat, but I just figured tater tots was a good base. I love tater tots or french fries. Who doesn't? If you don't, that's kind of weird, in my opinion, but so yeah, this is what I ended up with. I'm part of this December challenge that I joined with these other girls. It's 4 of us. And it's how many miles we could put in for the month of December. So I've been doing pretty good, but we're very competitive. So as of today, I have 50 miles in, but I swear, like, we do one and then somebody else goes and does more because you see like your phone and the ranks and all that. It's like gets pretty intense. It's fun. It's a good challenge. It's a good thing to join. And there's only a few days left of the year, so for the month of December. So it'll be fun and interesting to figure out who tops the top mileage. And I think whoever gets number one is gonna get like a cash prize or whatever. I'm just glad I have been consistent with running this month. I hope I can keep it up in January. I've always liked running. But then for a few months, probably since March, yeah, it was since March, after I had my ankle injury, I kind of quit running for obvious reasons. But once I started to rehab it, which took a long time, I kept walking, but it wasn't the same as running, obviously. My ankle always felt weak, like, and I didn't want to push it because I didn't want to re-injure it. And it's felt fine. It's still a little bit stiff and a little bit weak, but I've been running okay on it. So I'm thinking maybe it's already enough time, enough healing. Because I hear that the type of injuries like a sprain, especially if they're high ankle, take a while to heal. And I swear it was a high ankle because I felt like shooting pain up pretty high. My foot got really swollen. Not like this big, but it was big. And it was painful, got purple. And the rest is history. That was in March, and it's already December, so. So I'm just glad to be able to be back on my ankle and able to run on it and be consistent because it had been a while. I guess I was pretty hungry. I'm sorry this is really bad angle, but I want to record something before I change my mind. Hope you guys had a good Christmas. Focus. It's probably this light in the back that's throwing it off. I'm thinking. Last bite. Okay, guys. Hope you guys have a good new year. Enjoy it and nice seeing you. Bye.